Hello everyone, I am Shahad Mashaji and now I will explain our project. Respiratory diseases cause a big problem for many people in the world, where a total of more than 1 billion people around the world suffer from chronic respiratory diseases. This problem increases, especially when the weather changes, and it may affect the lives and health of people. Because of this common problem people have, we created a product that is a 3-in-1 conditioner. The product contains three different modes: cooling, purification, and humidification. The product comes with a professional sensor to detect and respond to the slightest change in particles in the air, and each mode is changed directly by sensor without the need for direct modification. Also, with the possibility of controlling the air conditioner remotely via its own remote device and through an application found in mobile phones.
Hello, I'm Lynn. I will talk about local market. Samsung is the brand recognized worldwide and it's a market leader in many products, including conditioners. And the company was famous from its success in the conditioners industry and has witnessed an increase in sales and growth in revenues. In recent years from the home appliances market, and the company achieved high profits in the fourth quarter of 2020. And this is due to the company sales in the electronics department, which achieved high revenues, um, and it was the largest source of revenue.
One of the companies they compete with Samsung is the teeth company Philips. Philips is a multi-touch company focused on improving people's life through innovation that make their life easier in many areas, including healthy care, customer lifestyle, and lighting. It is a great company in the field of manufacturing carry products. Phillips' strong and weakness analysis are: Phillips analyzes weakness, recent product recall, for example, hydrogen bubble, are withdrawn due to safety constraints. This recall process also affects brand image in addition to causing financial constraints. Legal complaints. Phillips has received more than 50 classes action lawsuits, and issues like these affect brand image. Strong of Phillips analysis. Phillips focused on development and research. Phillips has more than 50 centers, which have rapid benefit for Phillips with innovating solution in all of its scatter, giving to competitive advantage. A strong market position. Phillips is present in many markets scatter, including healthy care, lighting, and customer lifestyle. This has placed Phillips this has placed Phillips in the list of the world's 100 best brand by value. Image the future of innovator products. Number one, it allows you to control the area condition using a mobile phone and use the inferent port communication method with the remote control. Number 2, they are conditioning. They allowed with automatic system. You can use the automatic mode to perform a power calling and hiding function to automatically reach desert automatically. After the difference between the room temperature and the best temperature, they discuss. The area conditioner control the fan speed and the condition of the area flow. Because a clean area is important and necessary for use in generally, and they important with asthma and allergy in particular. Area conditioner can prove that the area as the air conditioner concerned filter the help to clean to support an area and then release it.
Hello, my name is Lulwa Ahmed. I will talk about introduction of how this project and we managed our money properly. We defined the work is a structure for the idea and marketing it through advertisement and following the project stages and more idea watch is Samsung is the conditioner that work on a controlled mobile phone that has a very useful feature for people with allergies or asthma. P. Simply pressing at the device on the feature verifies the dust, removes the impurities and comes out fresh air from the stages we used and the field management stages so that we can manage the scooping and paper the organization structure WPS and here at passes through watch collective action defined and in order to properly manage the project time we identify the expected risks and analyze them so that if there is in danger to the device. Hello, I will talk about under what circumstances solutions can fail. Sometimes the manager is not proficient in this skill and the effort must be made to acquire this skill and thus he can lead the project successful. Choosing a bad set that leads to the failure of the project and there is a loss in the personality of the project. There is no separation between the project and their personal life and projects failed to due to lack of planning projects and also lack of sufficient money to open business. You need to know what to do next time to avoid obstacles.
Hello, I'm Reem El Gaidi and ID number 442001179 and now I'm going to talk about the conclusion and recommendations. To conclude, our project focuses on people with respiratory diseases, such as asthma patients, and our main goal is to make these patients feel as comfortable and as safe during difficult weather conditions. We plan to make our project benefit these patients by using technologically smart ways that can sanitize the air from various different air toxins, such as germs, pollen, and any other air toxin that can cause and lead to asthma attacks and any other lung diseases. Furthermore, our spectacular air conditioner can smartly detect the weather in the room. For instance, if the room's heat rises, the air conditioner will automatically detect the change in the weather and start a quick and easy, safe process to completely cool the room down. We also plan to make our project very user-friendly. For instance, our air conditioner comes with its personal remote control and its very own application that can control the weather and check the cleanliness of the air throughout the entire day, making it very easy to access the weather data. Lastly, we recommend our air conditioner to all different types of people. However, we strongly encourage those respiratory diseases patients to purchase it with its many benefits, such as its low cost and its availability worldwide. These benefits and advantages can help these patients to feel more comfortable and to hopefully let them live a long and safe life.